Our 110 voltage pasta noodle cutter. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length for the pasta noodle cutter will be 15¼ inches. The depth, we have at least 12 inches. And the height, we have 14½ inches. And measurements for the drop bin, we have 9½ inches, but also 9½ inches in length. Features for this pasta noodle cutter is the top portion where you can adjust the compression of how much noodles you want to insert. This lever, which you can release up or down, will fall bottom towards here. And when we push the lever down, you can also adjust the compression underneath, depending how wide, how thin, or how thick you want your noodles to be. So the top portion can loosen or tighten, depending how much noodles you want to insert. And the bottom portion will compress the noodles and the thickness you'll like for it to dispense. Coming here is your power switch. Last but not least, the 110/120 voltage connection outlet. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.